you're watching MX24 television. I am Chichi MFA. Let me plug you onto something interesting, something you would definitely love. If you love stage play, you will love this. If you love comedy, you will love this. If you love dance, you will definitely love this. Today we're talking about the Alomo Jata stage play. I'm sure you've seen the artwork, you've seen the commercials. But today we get to understand the brain and the inspiration behind it. And I have two gentlemen here. Francis Tetteh Nutakor, the son of Nutakor, a.k.a. Oxygen. He's the director of the stage play. Yeah. And we have ShaCore. Yeah. ShaCore GH.
Yes.
He is an actor for this particular stage play. Francis, it's nice to see you. How have you been?
I've been good. You don't look for me.
Okay, Alomo Jata. What inspired it?
Well, so basically there was a trend about Alomo Jata, and we had a script. But then, you know, I don't know, but if you're doing something and you're pushing in your bed, your universe has a way of supporting you. So we actually had a script, and we're looking at doing a new form of theater, which is dance comedy. You get it?
Because I've never heard it before.
Yeah, there's tragedy, there's melodrama, and all that stuff. But we wanted to create something new, so our audience could experiment. How do you call it? Have that new experience with something. You get it? You go to the theater, they are doing shows. Music is loud in there, but you've never gone to a show where there's heavy dance. And I'm not talking about dance drama. So once we were putting the script together, we were looking for a title for it. And then there was this whole trend about Alomo Jata, and it comes with the music and it comes with the dance. And in our story, it fits perfectly because it was talking about relationship issues and Alomo Ibi Kumi and all that stuff. Yeah, so, and we were like, okay, this is God giving us a sign. So let's just go with it. And truth be told, Ghanaians have received the title so well. Yeah. And shout out to Alligator.
Who is Alligator?
Well, I'm told Alligator.
Yeah, he's the composer of the now trending Alomo Jata.
Okay.
He's not the original composer of the song.
He's not.
Okay.
He did more like a remix version of it.
Remix.
And then the whole Alomo Jata came again. Yeah. But when I was growing up, Alomo Jata used to be a term.
Yeah.
It's more like when I say you are my Alomo, it means like you're my sweetheart kind of thing. Yeah. Then when I say you are my Jata, it means like you're my hey. Yeah. So yes, basically that's what we are trying to portray. So the same person who is giving me joy is
also giving you.
So you get it. So,
interesting. That's where it comes from. ShaCore, you have been casted for this particular play. How did it feel like doing something different from the usual? You've done a lot of stage plays, but this is different.
Very different, and I saw it as a challenge, you know, because yes, I've done a purely dance drama, and I've done the usual theater thing. So having to put both of them together to, you know, be dancing and be doing the acting thing, I felt it was a challenge. So I was very excited when I got the call to be a part of this.
Interesting. How has it been so far?
Well, it's been a lot of work
because it's the first time we're doing a dance comedy. Yeah, you get it. Don't mistake it for a dance drama. No, we are not singing or dancing with the dialogues. No, this is dance comedy. So even the movements we are doing needs to be comic enough to make you laugh. You get it. So if somebody is doing pa, 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 pa. That is a normal dance. But now we have taken that dance and
I like that.
So even the dance movements are supposed to get you laugh.
Yeah. Wow.
Before we even add the dialogues, which are
acting bit.
The acting bit, which is more comedy to it. So it's the first time we are doing something like this in Africa. Per our research, nobody has done dance comedy. It doesn't even exist in the theater books. You get it? So it's our own creation of it, and it hasn't been easy. You know, it's more like, okay, you're trying to experiment with this. Will people buy into it? How do we sell it? At the same time, at the rehearsals, it's not like there's how do you call it?
A standard you have to follow.
Yes, like there's a standard. No, so it's all experimental, and we're just trying to make sure we get the
Then
best for our
it
patron.
must be challenging then.
It's very
because
challenging.
now you have to also look at the characters
Yes.
and how they can play the role to suit what you want. Because now you're adding dance to it. Not everybody can dance. So how did you work
Not just dance. When you say dance, you see you have natural dancers.
Okay.
I've done a play with you before when
Yes.
you came on board.
Yes.
Yeah, you are not a natural dancer,
Yeah.
but you love dancing.
Yeah.
So we could teach you some one or two movements
Yes.
today. But this time, we are not just teaching you one or two movements. We are teaching you body expression, facial expression, adding comic to
Gestures
the
and all of that.
You get it. So it's been challenging for the actors too as well, but they are professionals.
Yeah.
And they also love the challenge that comes with it. ShaCore loves the challenge that comes with it. Clemento Suarez love the challenge. You should see Clemento Suarez do his dance in the Foster Romanos. Willie Chambers is a natural dancer, but he's not even doing his natural dances.
Okay.
He's going out of his comfort
Yeah.
Afrobeat dance to do dance comedy. You get it? It's not been easy, like I said, but I mean, they are professionals. So they've accepted the responsibility and they are working very hard at it. And trust you me, what you see on Saturday at the National Theatre, you will love it. You will love it.
I'm certain of it.
Yeah, you will love it.
I'm
You will
certain
love
of it.
If you like comedy, if you like dance, if you like music, you just want to have
Yeah.
all this, you will love it.
If you want to have fun.
You will love it. And you'll love the creativity. You get it? And in all this, there's a message in there for everybody coming. You get it? There's a message in there for everybody. We are trying to treat the subject fear. That your fear can limit you not to do certain things, and your fear can also push you to do, everybody has a fear of failure, according to our research when we're writing. Everybody has a fear of failure. The reason why you wake up and you come to work every morning is because, hey, if I don't go to work,
Yeah.
I'll get fired.
Yeah. Yeah.
So I need to be here.
Yeah.
No, you want to start some business and you're afraid, hey, Charlie, how would this thing go? Should I quit my 8 to 5 and start this business? There's that fear. Then some people are afraid of height. Some people are afraid
Water,
of change.
so many.
We love change, but we're afraid of change.
Yeah.
If I ask you to leave your boyfriend and date ShaCore, you think about it, Charlie, this guy, they come on board and this one, it happens. It happens.
Yeah.
Even when we are going for election and we have to say change. People will be like, Charlie, those things. So there's always fear in our society. So we are trying to treat the subject fear. Either you live with the fear or you face it head on. And when you're facing it head on, what do? You get it? Yeah. So there's
also a message.
There's a message in there, but hey, when you're coming, get ready.
Okay.
Yeah,
I love that. ShaCore.
Chichi.
Is it okay to tell me the role you play?
Oh, yeah.
Well, I can.
Give us a little bit.
So I happen to be a wealthy Abusuampenyin,
Okay.
who takes so much delight in dead bodies. As they say, Abusuandofno. Yes, so that is me. That is what I take delight in.
Wow.
Yes.
In dead bodies.
Yes.
No, not dead body.
The burial process.
He likes funeral. Let's
Okay.
So he wakes up every morning and then he's like, okay, what funeral is happening today? What funeral is happening tomorrow?
Yeah.
He's a Busiampeni, so he wants to represent his family everywhere.
At all fronts.
Yeah, and he doesn't understand why they only do funerals on Saturdays. Yeah, they should bring some to Mondays.
Interesting.
Weekday funeral. We have weekend.
It means you'll be acting as an elderly person.
Yeah, an elderly person.
Okay. How has it been like switching from your personality to getting on that character?
Well, considering the fact that it's not my first time doing something out of my, own self, I think I seem to find a way to quickly adjust into whatever new character or role I'm supposed to play. So basically, I have to look at my intonation, my language, my gestures, body movement, and all of that. All of that comes together to make up, an elderly person or what you want to do. So yeah, these are the things that you should look out for.
Guys, we have a sneak, just a little bit of what a Lomojata will look like. A little trailer. Should I call it a trailer? Just something. We'll be right back.
It's
just
just
watch
1%.
this. It's just 1%, just a little bit. So let's watch it. We'll be right back.
Stage play. Alomo Jata.
Alomo, what is going on? Why are you all bent down like that?
I'm dancing with my man.
Your man? We just broke up 2 weeks ago and you have a new man.
No time to waste.
Okay, so where's the man?
Baby.
He shot you. Alomo Jata, directed by Francis Tetteh Nutakor. Date, Saturday, 10 June 2023. Venue, National Theatre. Time, 4 p.m. and 8 p.m. prompt. 450 cities, dial star 447 star 1059 hash.
Sponsored by Tank Freight and Logistics,
Ebony Condoms, Food 101,
FFV Rice, Brunswick,
and M Notify, and supported by GH Media, MX24 TV.
and TV3.
Presents a hilarious stage play.
Alomojata. This is just a sneak peek of what to expect on that day. Just a little bit. Okay, where is it happening? When is it happening?
It's this Saturday,
Okay.
the 10th of June, at the National Theatre of Ghana. 10th of June, just 4 p.m. and 8 p.m. First show is at 4 p.m., second show is at 8 p.m. Please, if you're coming for the show starts exactly at 4 p.m. and the second show starts exactly at 8 p.m. So please do not be late. Do not be late. If you want to enjoy the full package,
You
do
should
not
be there
late.
early.
Yeah, at the National Theatre. 4 p.m. we are starting. It's not 4 p.m. you are not coming to settle in.
Yeah.
4 p.m.
We are
we are
starting.
starting. 8 p.m. for the second show we are starting.
Great. Now, I know that we've missed the early bird tickets. We've missed it. Is there an opportunity to... Will you give us another opportunity to be early birds, or it's gone and it's gone forever? ShaCore.
Well, we could talk about that backstage, but currently tickets are going for 150 cities.
Okay.
You know, the early bird ticket ended on the 3rd of June.
Yeah.
You know, so as it stands now, 150 cities. The show is actually free. You only have to pay 150 cities to see it. You know, it's free. Or oxygen, you don't sign.
Yeah, if you look at the investment into it, if
Yeah.
you look at the cast on board,
Yeah.
if you look at what you're coming to enjoy, 150 cities.
It's chicken change.
Talking about the cast, I know you've mentioned a number of them, but
Yeah.
give me a tall list of the key people to expect.
Well,
Oh, ShaCore
there's
okay.
Clemento Suarez,
Okay.
there's Foster Romanus,
Okay.
there's Willie Chambers, there's Mark Pratt, there's Efuadel, there's Monica, there's myself, there's Fred
Sinote.
Bafwa, there's Sinote,
You know Sinote?
almighty Sinote.
I don't think so.
Sinote is the...
It's baby.
Okay.
Watch out for Sinote.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this and a host of others, you know, and we have an entourage of, you know, a whole group of dancers joining. So it's not just about the actors. We have a tall list of people, you know. It's going to be mad fun.
4 p.m., 8 p.m.
Yeah.
4 p.m., 8 p.m. Just come on time.
Okay.
You get it. And then there's something for everybody coming.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah, everybody condoms will be there. FVV Rice will be there. Food 101 is there. So definitely there's something for everybody. Tank Freight and Logistics. They have something for everybody. You get it. They're a freight and logistics company, and they are doing win and spin. So when you come, make sure you find their stand.
Okay. You
Spin and win something for
That's
yourself.
lovely.
I know you like it.
I would personally make sure that Chichi goes home with a pack of Ebony condoms. So.
I would love that.
Yes,
Thank you very much.
yes.
So if you're looking for free condoms, you know where to go to, right?
Yeah.
Oh, but yeah, thank you very much. But tell me, how do they get the tickets? On the day or before, what do you recommend?
Now, like the vice president will say, we've digitalized everything.
Exactly.
So just in the comfort of your home, in the comfort of your office, just dial star 447 star 1059 hash, and then just follow the prompt. You get a ticket. Star 447 star 1059 hash, and then in the comfort of your home, in your office, you'll get a ticket. If you want to purchase 10, just at a go, you make a purchase. A QR code will be sent to you, and when you get to the venue, we will scan it, and then you have access into the auditorium. And then for those who want it delivered, you can also call 05534 56574, 05534 56574, and then we will also deliver to you. But the Stubborn Academy people, my people, people like Chichi,
get the tickets on the day.
they want to get a ticket on the day. So yes, there is a sales point at the National Theatre where you come, you will get your ticket, and then you will have to enjoy. But if you're coming to get your ticket on that day, please make sure you come.
You come super early because there'll be. It's better to just get it before you come.
Yeah, exactly.
Right?
Advanced
So
tickets,
you don't
advanced
stress
tickets is
yourself.
up in planning too as well. So please, if you know you're coming for Alowo Yata, if you know you're coming to enjoy the show, please get your ticket in advance so that we can plan very well and then host you the way you want to be treated.
You can just walk in comfortably. You don't have to just like stand and wait for your time and get tickets and all of the process. So *447 *1059 hash. Finally, ShaCore. Finally, we've said a lot about Alowo Yata, but for you, what should viewers, audience, spectators, patrons, what should they expect?
Oh, they should expect lasting memories lingering through their minds even after the show. Days, weeks, months after the show. You know, you could be watching weeks after, and then a scene will just come to memory, and then you just can't hold your laughter. Trust me. That is how much work we are putting into this. You will love it.
I definitely will love it. I love stage play, and I love, as long as Oxygen, Francis Tetteh Nutakor is the director, it would definitely be good. So this is blowing my mind already. Guys, you have to be there. I'm encouraging you to be there. I hope you will be there. I hope to see you on Saturday, 10th of June, 4 p.m. and 8 p.m. Dial *447 *1059 hash to get your tickets, 150 cedis. Early bird ticket is over, 150 cedis. So yeah, guys, that's it. That's it for the plug. I hope you will be there on Saturday. And my name is Chichi Emefa. Thank you, ShaCore. Thank you, Francis Tetteh Nutakor.
Thank you too.
It's nice to speak to you again. Okay, guys, that's it. Bye.
Bye-bye.